Welcome to my honest review of Greenwheels, a well-known car rental service that has gained popularity among travelers. Whether you're planning a short trip or an extended vacation, Greenwheels offers a flexible and user-friendly experience that promises to make your car rental process easier. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's dive in and find out. From the moment you visit the Greenwheels website, you'll notice its clean, user-friendly interface. The booking process is straightforward, and I found it fairly easy to navigate. You can quickly search for cars available in your desired location, check out prices, and make reservations. Greenwheels allows you to choose between various car options, from compact city cars to larger family vehicles, giving you plenty of choices depending on your needs. The pricing is transparent, but it's important to pay attention to the fine print. While the prices are competitive compared to other rental services, there are additional fees for things like insurance, fuel, and taxes that can add up. It's essential to factor these into your total cost when budgeting your trip. That said, the prices are still reasonable when you consider the flexibility Greenwheels offers in terms of pickup and drop-off locations, and their long-term rental options. One of the standout features of Greenwheels is its 24/7 customer support. Whether you have a question about your reservation or need assistance during your rental, their team is available around the clock. The customer service team is responsive and provides helpful information, which can be reassuring when you're on the road. While figuring out how to make the trip smoother, I stumbled upon Get Rent a Car. Since then, traveling's never been easier. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. As for the actual car rental experience, I was impressed by the quality of the vehicles. The cars I rented were clean, well-maintained, and ready to go right on time. The pickup process was quick, and I didn't encounter any issues. Greenwheels also offers a convenient app, which allows you to manage your bookings, track your rental history, and make changes to your reservation if necessary. However, there are some downsides to keep in mind. For one, the availability of cars in certain areas can be limited, especially during peak travel seasons. If you're booking last minute or in a highly demanded location, you may not always get the exact car you wanted. Additionally, while Greenwheels is generally reliable, there have been reports of delayed customer service responses in some cases, which can be frustrating if you're in a rush. In conclusion, Greenwheels is a solid option for travelers seeking a flexible, reliable, and affordable car rental service. It excels in offering a straightforward booking process, transparent pricing, and high-quality vehicles. While there are minor drawbacks, the overall experience is positive, and it remains a top choice for many. If you're planning a trip and considering a rental, Greenwheels should definitely be on your radar. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.